What is up, YouTube family? It's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your prince, you know what I'm saying? It's here, man. Okay, let's do it again, okay? What is up, YouTube family? It's your boy, MK, aka aka the real freaking Emtee Prince, you know what I'm saying? Back yet again with another fire reaction, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's been a while, I haven't been posting for the past few days, but hey, I'm back. I know y'all missed me. I missed you too. But seriously, I've been just a little bit busy, you know what I'm saying, with some most of you will understand, you know what I'm saying. You know, with the lockdown is corner of it. But hey, I ain't complaining. I get to spend time with you. You get to spend time with me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Today we're gonna be checking Emtee Ithemba. I think it's a nasty C mix because it's written C mix, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, without wasting much more of your freaking ass time. Let's get into this video. But before we do, make sure you pause this video right now. If you're new to my channel, go smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification, leave a like, leave a comment for your boy, you know what I'm saying? Go crazy! You know, so we love crazy. In this channel, we love crazy. yeah. So yeah, we'll feel too. Straight up, it's gonna be fire. Cause hey, two goats on one song is always gonna be fire. Nasty C and Emtee are goats separately. You know, it's a bomb. You know what I'm saying? It's man. I can't even explain it, but yeah. Let's get into this video.
Don't throw in the towel, don't give up now, raise your chin up now. I said, don't throw in the towel, don't give up now, raise your chin up now. Do that, that's what I told myself. Do that, that's what I told myself.
Yeah.
That's what I told myself. Do that, that's what I told myself.
Yeah. Don't throw in the towel. Don't throw in the towel. Don't give up. Don't give up just yet. Don't give up just yet. This is what my niggas say. This is the hook of this song. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up. If you're on the verge of giving up, don't give up. Here's a motivation for y'all.
They throwing dirt on my name, making fun of my pain, trying to make me a lame. Look at me strange. I made some mistakes.
Yeah.
I'm not a saint. I was on them things every day.
I'm not a saint.
Had to switch up the lane. I'm taking off like a plane. I can never retain. Yeah, you know what they say.
Yeah.
No pain, no gain.
No
I'm just
pain,
trying
no
to get
freaking
paid.
gain.
Hustle hard every day. Don't throw in the towel. Don't give up now. Raise your chin up now. I said, don't throw in the towel. Don't give up now. Raise your chin up now. Do that. That's what I told myself.
Yeah, that's what I told myself. Come on.
That's what I told myself. Do that. That's what I told myself. Do that. Enough is enough. It's getting tough, but I'm not giving up. I know you wish me no luck. I don't give a fuck. Keep it a buck. Let's
be honest though, I think this bar right there, last and the dropper was for his haters, you know what I'm saying? For us, as my fans, I love Emtee. I love Emtee's music. I know the guy is a GOAT, you know what I'm saying? I admit it in each and every of my videos. I admit that Emtee is a GOAT, you know what I'm saying? But maybe Nasty C, it's always gonna be fire in the booth, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we've got a lit song right here.
The trust, they'll throw you under the bus. Joburg City, I'm reppin'. Young niggas steppin'. I'm a boss, not a peasant. I took that L as a lesson. Still at the studio session. Going down as a legend. Save me a spot up in heaven. and we gon' be rich in a second.
Yeah.
Don't throw in the towel.
Don't give up just
now.
yet.
Raise your chin up now. I said, don't throw in the towel. Don't give up now. Raise your chin up now.
I feel like Nestis is coming over. Let me prepare myself. Yeah. Yeah. Is it done? Nah, it's not done yet. My nigga coming in. My nigga coming in with the bars.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I've been dealing with struggles too long, dog. I need a break from it all, dog.
Yeah.
Why they pray for me to fall, dog?
Yeah.
When I'm trying to right my wrongs.
Yeah.
People don't know what it costs to be the boss, so they just focus on my losses. I didn't bear so many crosses.
They never recognize the good you're doing. They only focus on your losses. Talk your shit, my nigga. Talk your shit, Nasty. Talk your shit. I knew my nigga was gonna talk his shit. He always does. Nasty never disappoints, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm sure the Nasty fans are going crazy right now.
I'm in a field with no armor. Let the wrong people get close to me. I've been fighting my demons openly, and this can't be how it's
Muhammad
supposed to be.
Ali.
There's no privacy in my world. No honesty, dog. It's just a lot of hypocrisy in my world. Niggas play hide and tweet in my world. Damn. Man, it's okay, it's alright. Do your thing, live your life. Treat me all of your weak advice. Judge me now cause your life is perfect. Cause you ain't got habits and you ain't got urges. And everything you do is always on purpose.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
No, I can't give up.
Wow. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Everything you do is always on purpose, right? So, man, my nigga talking his shit. My nigga talking. I knew there were some other quotes like I'm an artist as like Emtee since got the ending king somehow, you know, if you're a real fan of Emtee, you know what I'm talking about. So I knew the quote was gonna step in, you know what I'm saying, help a nigga out, cause they never beef. They never had a beef. Unless they see with Emtee never had a beef. So yeah, this is the love we need in hip hop.
Nah, can't throw in the time. Keep my chin up now.
Yeah.
Can't give up now. Can't throw in the time.
Nah.
Keep my chin up now.
My nigga come a long way.
That's
Can't give up now.
That's what I told myself.
Yeah, that's why I told myself.
That's what I told myself.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ivy son. Together with the hustler, you know what I'm saying? Emtee the hustler, Ivy son. You know what I'm saying? These niggas never disappoint. This is straight up fire, bro. This is straight up a banger. You know what I'm saying? But it's a chilling song, you know what I'm saying? You can listen to it when you're chilling, you know what I'm saying, with your homies. Yeah. But hey, this is exactly what I expected before I even reacted to this song, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Man. Going back to this song, man, it's a banger. You already know. I've been telling you it's a banger. See, before I even reacted to it, you know. So yeah, Buffetto, it's been your boy. I'm back now. I'm gonna be dropping a video each and every day. So make sure y'all subscribe and turn on that notification bell, you know what I'm saying? You can leave a like and leave a comment for your boy, you know what I'm saying? It's been your nigga. It's been your prince. AKA, I'm out this bitch. Peace.